Powell Raise Incline Bench Dumbbell. If you're a gymnastic skill seeker looking to build strong and stable shoulders, you'll want to include movements like the Powell Raise. The Powell Raise is an excellent exercise for strengthening the rhomboids and improving scapular stability. Strong rhomboids provide a stable platform for pressing and pulling movements. This exercise is not a maximal strength movement. It's a corrective exercise designed to strengthen the rhomboids and improve scapular stability. In the Powell Raise, the small details make a big difference, so pay attention. The incline Powell Raise can be performed at different incline angles. A higher angle will target more of the lower trapezius, and a lower angle or a flat bench will target more mid-trapezius. Set the bench to an incline angle you wish to work. I also recommend inclining the seat so you can kneel on it. Place one knee on the seat and lay down on your side with your shoulders stacked and your hips stacked. The top leg remains straight and is positioned behind the bench for stability. The non-working arm is placed under the bench, allowing you to grip the edge of the bench. Grab a dumbbell and lift the weight up overhead. Notice that the hand is not vertically stacked above the shoulder, but is slightly elevated to be vertically aligned above the ear. This is critical because the angle of the arm dictates the muscle fibers that will be used in the upper back. The wrong angle will not optimally target the desired muscle fibers. As you lower the weight in a smooth, consistent motion, keep the dumbbell in front of your eyes and keep the arm straight throughout the entire range. As the arm moves down, the shoulder blade will move into protraction and the rhomboids will be on stretch. Once you reach the maximum adduction range, reverse the movement by lifting the arm and focusing on retracting the shoulder blade by pulling it towards your spine. As you move the weight behind the shoulder, continue to retract the shoulder blade. Avoid taking the dumbbell too far back. Find the range that allows you to feel the upper back muscles contracting, but doesn't place the shoulder in a vulnerable position. Tightness in the pec or the bicep will dictate the range of motion here. Choose a weight that allows you to perform the prescribed number of repetitions with good form. Challenge yourself, but always maintain good technique. Perform 5 to 12 repetitions depending on the training phase and the goals. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.